everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Guys, the video you're about to see, the intro that I had made to that actually messed up and the video got corrupted. Not sure what's going on, first time it's ever happened with this camera, but anyway, so I had to go get some gas, so I decided I'd film you guys another intro and kind of video in what's going on. If you caught the video, the last video I done, I run Derek's car, the red Whipple 18, down the drag strip. In the video you hear us talking about something was going on with the car. Now, a little backstory is Derek has never felt like that car has ever ran what it should run. And what I mean by that is because he ran a 1070 in the quarter, and I think it was like a 70-ish, I want to say, or a 690 is what he run on 93 octane with the bigger pulley. Since then, he went to the 3.75 pulley, E85, and a new tune. And he's felt like the car's never ran what it should. The best he's ever done on the new setup is a 670 something with a decent 60 foot. So he has always felt like something was going on with the car, and when we drove it Friday night, it just confirmed something wasn't exactly right with the car. And in the last video, you seen one pass I made in the video. We actually did 2 more passes, and I'm gonna put that at the beginning of this video, and then we're gonna continue. And when we continue, we were at Daryl's shop, and he had just taken the car to do a data log to see what he can see, to see if it's something tune related or mechanical issue that we might have. So, hope you enjoy.
At 95.
Now, Derek, you actually put back in the tune that you run last time.
Yeah.
The tune that I ran was a new tune that was sent to you, so it could have a little something in it.
Yeah, the tune you ran on has never been ran before. You were the first one.
Okay, so you put the tune that you ran 6 something in back in there. So we're gonna see exactly if that 15 thing, he wants me to run it again, and of course, you know me, I'm gonna run it. So let's get this done. Like it's doing it to a certain extent. I don't know why. I don't know why it's doing what it's doing. All right, we're up to 102. So like I said, it felt a little better. It didn't feel like it was doing it as bad, but it was a 700 at 102. So not quite sure what's going on. Hey, it didn't do it as bad, but it's still off.
You're way off.
102. Yeah, it's 102.
Which is terrible.
I want you to drive it next time.
I'll do it next
That way you can feel what it's doing and see what you think. It didn't look like it did it to you.
What's that?
It didn't look like it did it to
Oh,
you.
it did it.
It's hard to tell out here if it's doing it.
Right.
Like, that's why I wanted you to drive it,
I
because
logged that one though.
you did log it.
Yeah,
Okay.
I logged it, so.
It's hard to tell when you're looking at it going down the track.
Yeah.
You can feel it in the car when it does it.
But dang, it's been a while since I felt it. It was a rush. Even though it was slow, because it's back to running what it was doing when it was on 93 octane on a bigger pulley with London.
Yeah.
It's running what it ran then now.
Yeah. Palm Beach, so Palm Beach dyno?
One of the two, yeah, London or Palm Beach.
So what do you think?
There's lots of issues going on.
Lots of issues.
I figured you would be able to see it.
Yeah, I seen it right away.
Yeah. That's what I told him. I said, get down here, let Daryl do a log on it, and then let him put his tune in it. And
yeah, there's 5, 6. There's just a ton of issues going on.
okay.
it showed up right away in the data log.
So there you go.
That makes me feel so good.
Makes you feel a lot better,
A lot
don't it?
better.
Because I know last night at the track, I was like, it felt good, and all of a sudden it was like, okay, where'd the power go?
Yep.
Like it just pulled the power.
It's never felt like an 830, 40 horsepower car like it's supposed to be.
You know, there's a lot of things going on. You know, it's got a couple of lean spikes too, but there's a lot of limiter that's running into as well, stuff that wasn't tuned correctly, and I see it dropping 3 and 4 degrees at wide open throttle sometimes.
Yeah, then
then it kicked. Remember, I told you at the track I thought I heard a spark drop.
Yeah.
That's what it did.
Yeah, well, to me it felt like it was like a torque management. You know, when torque management comes in or something comes in, it pulls timing. It felt just like timing was getting pulled.
Yeah, that, and there was some injector cut. It was cutting some injectors even under boost, so that's not a good sign at all. But so far on the dialogue, everything appears to be tune related.
Okay, good. So that makes you feel a lot better, don't it? Hey, pop the trunk. We're gonna show them what else Daryl's gonna be working on while it's here.
Nothing sexy, just the normal.
Oh no, it's very to a track guy. It's very. So he's got some Ford Performance G-Force.
Yeah.
G-Force half shafts, and he's got a G-Force drive shaft. So Daryl's gonna be installing that while it's here. So
there's a safety loop under there.
Okay, you got safety loop.
And then you got BMR safety loop, right?
Yeah, Lethal Performance swears it will fit.
Oh, it'll fit.
I put one on that last Whipple car I had here, that 15 and 17, and I think he had the same one.
They have it on their Lethal car, and they have long tubes.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, it should fit then. They usually got the slots on it to adjust it. So.
In the Lethal Performance car with my setup, before they went with the smaller pulley, was running high 9s, like 9.7.
Yeah.
So,
Because you know, last night, man, your car should have been running well into the 6s.
Saw that it was like it never was that bad before that I noticed, but it's never felt like a 800 plus horsepower car since I've gotten it back.
Today, that felt quite a bit slower than what Ken's car was.
Yeah, crazy.
You know, Ken's car, you take off, and it would put you in your seat.
It'd put you and hold you.
Then I was take off, and
See, with Lund, it didn't do that. Like, it felt faster on Lund, making less power than it does on.
With the issues going on right now, it definitely was quicker.
Because even when he drove it the first time, he even at least was able to tell, like, oh shit, there's power
He told
there.
me right off after he drove it that there was something going on.
Yeah, because when I rode in it after you first got it tuned on E85, I was like, something's not right. But you know, I figured you get some.
And I thought it was all in my head. So when he said it, I was like, okay, maybe I'm not crazy that it feels
dyno
slower.
numbers that get to your head, you know.
Yeah, I don't never look at dyno numbers, track numbers.
Yeah. ET is fun to watch, but your horsepower is your mile per hour.
Because I
mile per hour.
Right now it traps, if it's running somewhat good, like it did a couple weeks ago, it trapped like right at 109.9, like almost 110.
Yeah, like, last night you trapped 95 mile an hour, and I trapped 96 on one run.
108.
And I've got 535 horsepower.
And I did get 108, but then I ran a 7.1 at 108.
Yeah.
And it was bucking the whole way. I could feel it the whole way down the track.
Yeah, the problem with what you really got to watch on these, when you got your torque stuff off, it also means your transmission is off. The pressures aren't correct. That's how you.
Man, I'm just hopefully thankful that I haven't broke anything.
Yeah,
because
definitely.
of that, I'd be pissed.
Yeah.
Because of the tune, I broke something. You know, hopefully the injectors are good and everything.
Yeah, about the log, I'll check it.
If I have to get new injectors, oh god, I hope I
1050s will be just fine. You want to get your 1050s.
Oh man, so beautiful. If I could do it all over again, I would have went turbo. If I would have knew you guys, I would have been able to afford to go turbo, but I couldn't afford to have DBR do a turbo on my car. It was going to cost like 20 grand.
That is so nice.
But if I would have known y'all at the time, I would have just, hey, I'm going to order on 3 or Hillian or whatever.
Halo makes that sleeper kit. The one that has
and
the
it's
stock
less
airbox
work, huh?
on it. Yeah.
I would do that. How much is the on 3 kit? Do they have one for the 18?
Not. They make the low mount that I had on this car bolts directly up to the 18.
Like if I could do it all over again and sell that, I would do a turbo kit.
Yeah, the turbo is
and it'll make
the torque they make is just insane.
All right, guys, he is going tonight to go and try to bang out a 5-second pass. And I was just talking to him, and you're still on stock axles and stock rear suspension.
Yeah, it's got stock suspension, stock rear end, stock axles, stock shocks. There's everything stock on the rear end. There's nothing changed.
That is crazy. And he is expecting to run 5s tonight if everything goes right, nothing breaks. Run 5s tonight. So, man, I wish I could go and film it, but this thing is crazy, guys. And if you want more on this, especially this build right here, he's got videos when he was installing turbos and everything like that. If you're interested in knowing any of that, go check his channel out. It is Boosted Coyote. I'll put a link down in the description if you've never seen his channel or whatnot. Go check it out, guys. Definitely want to check it out. And he will also have video of Derek's car as he goes through the process of getting everything lined out with it and getting everything installed on it. So go check that out. And then when he gets done with it, we'll take it back to the track and we'll see how it runs. Oh, yeah. So looking forward to that. Hey guys, we're gonna get out of here. I gotta take Derek back home. He's trying to run from the camera, but I gotta take Derek to his house in Lawrenceburg. So we got a little trip there. And the next time you see this car, it is gonna be decently faster.
Yeah,
it's going to be moving. So looking forward to that, guys. But if you enjoyed this video, hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't, and we'll see you next time.